Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we have something new for the channel, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. So there it is, right there. 2018 Ford F150 STX edition, four-wheel drive, and it is an EcoBoost. So it has a 2.7 liter twin turbo EcoBoost motor. So the 2.7 liter is the smaller of the two EcoBoost engines, but it still has like 7,700 pounds of towing capacity. And that's the whole reason we got this truck. We needed to pull our boat. Had a boat 2 years, never pulled it anywhere. So anyway, that's the story behind this. So yeah, we're gonna do a full in-depth review. We're gonna go all the features. We're gonna do some towing reviews. We'll do some other stuff to it. We also have some stuff we're gonna do to it. Of course, we can never leave any vehicle we have stock. So debating on a leveling kit or a lift kit or 20s and 33s or 20s and 35s or 22s and who knows, some combination of that though, and we'll definitely do some stuff to it. You know, definitely they've got the new headlights for 18, so they do look a little bit different. There's a couple other little body features that are different, but the headlights obviously are the most noticeable. So we'll do some more information on that, but definitely going to be doing some mods to this, and we still have mods for the BMW. Still got the BMW, still got the Z06. But the Mercedes SUV, gone. This took its place. So that is now the empty spot in the garage will be filled by this. So, so take that back. We do have a mod, I guess you could call it a mod, on this already. So went ahead and had the Line X bed liner put in today. Very fresh. Man, you can't really smell it. Maybe, let's see if you can smell it. You can kind of smell it. Anyway, so obviously Line X a must for any pickup. I prefer Line X over pretty much any of the other guys. Never had any issues with them. Very durable stuff. You can throw anything back there. But yeah, so that's the first thing we did. So like I said, guys, more videos coming on that. More videos coming on that. And once we get some more stuff, put it on here. Let you guys check it out. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.